Hello, I'm Janet Fishman, the Executive Director of NAIFA Los Angeles. I would like to welcome you to our educational series about the resources on the NAIFA National website. In these videos, we will be demonstrating the various sources that can benefit you in your profession. Thank you for joining us. As a NAIFA member, one of the benefits you receive is having lobbyists and other advocates protect your livelihood and the products you offer your clients. The tab on the website for advocacy is there. It's advocacy. And with us today is Alvin Parra, who is our current Government Relations Chair on the NAIFA LA board. Alvin, would you please speak about the advocacy that NAIFA provides and talk about the trips to Sacramento, Washington, D.C., and NAIFA-PAC?
Absolutely. Thank you, Jen. Well, first off, as an advisor agent, I've been doing this business for about 10 years. Prior to that, I actually worked most of my professional life in politics, working for different politicians and government officials. I worked in Congress, United States Congress. I worked in Los Angeles City Council and Los Angeles County Board of Supervisors. And I thought I was going to get rid of politics forever, but I became a NAIFA member and started appreciating everything. But one of the things that I didn't know, that there is a good combination. As in everything, politics permeates our life, whether it's, whether you're a postman or whether you're a firefighter or a police officer, there's politics involved, right? Because there's somebody that's got to handle that. And I didn't realize that until I became a NAIFA member. And I started appreciating that, our industry is under attack in many respects. Sometimes.
Over the years.
Over the years, it's just,
ongoing.
And I didn't know this until NAIFA opened my eyes. And that there's folks out there that are trying to attack us, take away the services and products that we provide to our clients, maybe hurt our livelihood, our commissions. And it didn't come to my attention until NAIFA brought that to my attention. And I had the opportunity to go to Washington, D.C. every year. NAIFA sponsors a Day in the Hill lobbying activity. I went there, had an amazing time, ran across 800 NAIFA members throughout the U.S., and we had the opportunity to visit our Congress members from our California delegation, Los Angeles delegation. And we talked about issues that are important to us. Right now, the big issue, the fiduciary change and rules. We wanted our Congress members to understand how that's going to impact us and our clients. And I think we made a great impact. We also went to Sacramento, and visited our state legislatures as well. And why I mentioned that this is important is because as advisors and agents, we don't realize how important advocacy is until someone else brings it to our attention. And now that I know how important this is, I'm very committed and I'm very blessed to know that I've got an army of not just NAIFA national, but state after state after state, protecting my license, protecting my ability to earn a living and doing what's right for clients. And I want members out there to know that they need to support the advocacy. And on the website, we'll just shift over to the website real quick. Well, first off, we're going to have to log in. You get your username and password. That's given to you when you become a NAIFA member. And once you log in, there's this advocacy tab. You just click it. And here you have so many great informational tabs. You've got federal issues and positions, state issues and positions by state. So much great information. So if you're a political animal like me, you definitely want to go onto the state website to see what some of these big issues are. And you'll be shocked at some of the things that are out there that could be affecting your livelihood, that may be taken away. For instance, we know that life insurance is tax-free, right, when someone passes away. Well, there was a time where government was trying to make it taxable.
Oh, my.
So that's horrible. So we're on the front lines to make sure that never happens. So I want folks to know that this is a great tab to come to, but in order for this to happen, it doesn't happen on its own. It happens, money makes things happen. So in addition to being a NAIFA member where you pay our membership dues for all those other amazing services we talked about, we also have the opportunity, and I actually think we have the duty to pay it forward and contribute to it is the NAIFA PAC, the Insurance Financial Advisors Political Action Committee. That separate report. And here's that tab. If you go to this tab right here and click it, it's going to tell you a little bit more about the Political Action Committee that we have. It's amazing. I didn't know this, but until when I went to Washington, D.C., I learned that NAIFA is the top lobbying firm of all financial advisory groups in the nation. We are the #1, and we raise the most amount of money, and we have the biggest impact in Washington, D.C. So I'd like to encourage every NAIFA member, especially here in Los Angeles and nationwide and statewide, to go online and click right here where it says contribute to the NAIFA PAC. You want to put all your information here. Mine's already included. Click on next. And here are the amounts that you contribute, whether it's as low as $8.50 a month or higher. That would be great. Whatever you can afford. Remember, this is actually protecting our industry and our license and our clients. So this is kind of like a job security investment. Whether you're out there meeting with elected officials or not, that's okay. This is an opportunity to contribute so that the NAIFA staff and volunteers like myself who are out there doing the good work. So once you come here, you can come to make a one-time payment of $100, make a monthly payment or you can pay by mail. So let's say we're going to pay by mail or do a monthly credit card. You type in your full name here.
And you can do bank withdrawals too, right? On a regular
Absolutely.
basis, but in addition to credit cards and
Right.
mail.
And I'm doing the online payment. If I went back, you could actually pay by, you can download a paper application and then
Do
fill
that as
that
well
out
by paper.
and mail that in as well. So there's different ways to contribute to the NAIFA PAC. You click next, and you're going to see this next little tab that's going to say that you've read and understand the directives. But also there's two more options that are given. One is to split your NAIFA PAC between the state and federal NAIFA PAC. Most of us do this already because we want to make sure that a portion of our money comes back to our state and a portion and half goes to the federal PAC. The second one is to direct all your contribution to go to the federal PAC. And that's okay too, but at this point your state is not benefiting from your NAIFA contribution. So click here and then click submit and you'll get something right away. See, I already got something confirming that I'm going to be contributing by mail. So that's how you do it. I really encourage our NAIFA members to get involved in advocacy personally or at least support us financially. So some of your colleagues are out there working with elected officials. If you know an elected official, definitely get involved and tell them about us and talk to your government relations chair so that they can include you in different meetings with elected officials and so forth, because we need them to know that we're here. So if anything comes up, they're going to call us for advice on this legislative bill that's affecting financial advisors or life insurance or health insurance, Medicare, long-term care, disability, annuities, you name it. We are going to be their go-to when any bill like that comes up. So I think this is a very important opportunity for us to just roll up our sleeves, put in a few dollars so that we can continue the good work that we do.
Wonderful. Great.
Right.
Thank you so much for sharing that with us today, Alvin.
You're welcome.